my line
Warnings.
and see a Menta just fly in front of my face. And I'm like, why is she doing the slow-mo bullet catch?
What?
Yeah, you just flew like right in front of my line, like double jumped in front of me with your wings out, and I was like, "What are you doing? Why are you over here? Why are you here?"
Sorry?
You're the one that died. I don't
Oh
care.
yeah, it's because I'm running the stupid ass new talent because they buffed it, but like I can't get used
Oh,
to it
you like
here.
just fly all over the place?
Yeah.
Uh,
Here I linked it.
ah, you just fell rushing all over the place. Like,
Yeah, it's awful, but it does like significantly more damage.
maybe just try to do it straight towards the other side and not like, I don't know.
Yeah,
Then you
but they
still would have
like
gotten
constantly
gibbed.
reset my stacks.
Not through the whole route.
Yeah, I don't know. It's rough.
It's hard being a DH. Fuck running momentum. Don't even talk to me.
On the tanks.
I don't fucking care what the meta build is. And no, some of the top DPS still run everything and then unbound chaos.
We can do a 10-second now.
Plus
This
I don't
aren't
have the
ramping
Lego
before
for
pull.
that build.
Alright, come on guys, we got 15 minutes. Let's just get this one done.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Spread. Beams in 3. Desolate in 5. Make sure you're healthy. One shot, you need help. Miasma switch right after this, don't soak. Expunge in 3. You guys are already healthy, you're good. Beams right after this. Miasma switch right after this. Desolate in 5, get healthy. Expunge. Beams. Consume right after this, go now. Spread out. Beams. Desolate after the beams, make sure you're healthy. Miasma switch right afterwards, so don't soak unless you need to. Expunge right after we switch, make sure you're healthy. Beams in 3. Desolate in 5. Expunge after this, you need to be healthy. Beams in 4. Consume right after the beams, so get ready to go. Go now. Spread out. Beams in 5. Desolate in 5. He has a switch right afterwards, so don't worry. These new ones we get expunged, so get healthy. Go, get out. Beams in 5. Miasma switch right after the beams. Desolate in 4. Make sure you're healthy. Expunge right after this. Beams. Consume. Go now.
Sandros to get an innervate.
Beams in 5. Isn't this enrage?
No.
Nope.
Next set.
Okay. Desolate in 5. Miasma switch, don't soak, get out. Expunge in 3, make sure you're healthy. Beams in 5. Miasma switch right afterwards. Desolate in 5, make sure you're healthy. Expunge in 5.
You have 2D B resist, by the way.
Vanna, can you sack me?
Yep. Beams in 5. Consume. Go now.
After consume, res Amenta and Momo, please.
Beams in 3. We need to pump him. Desolates in 10. That's the enrage, isn't it?
No, it's the expunge.
You have 20
Okay.
seconds.
Desolates in 3. Make sure you're healthy. Yeah, there's no switch.
Go! Easy.
Yeah, congrats trade, TJ.
Thanks.
It's a big upgrade.
Huge upgrade, dude.
Alright guys, this is 10:55, so we'll pick it up from here tomorrow. Alright, I gotta jump in a disc call with somebody real quick, but good job.
Good job.
Everybody